So I started a small business recently. The pandemic basically forced me to start something to try to earn an income. A friend of mine said she would like to show me the accounting system that she uses for her small business. She has access to the Excel accounting system on her hard drive and in the cloud. I hesitantly then looked at her books with her and how she did it. I was stunned. I couldn't believe Excel could do all this automatically if someone does the formulas for you. It even does your VAT automatically. Let me show you. Here is the file, and if you look where my flicker is showing you toward the bottom, there are the automated worksheets. And there is the VAT, automated for you. I am so impressed. The first file you open to start your journey doing your own books is full of clear instructions. All you have to do is import your bank statements and invoices list. The template invoices list comes with the system. Click on what the transaction is, like sales, rent, telephone, bank charges, and so on. There is also a VAT category. If you're not registered for VAT, the option is there. The system then does the rest for you. It automatically gives you your VAT per month if you have to submit VAT, a full income statement in neat columns, a trial balance, and balance sheet that you don't even need to understand. You just submit it to whichever institution you want to give it to and you don't look back. My friend showed me other accounting systems in Excel. She found they are either much weaker or much stronger. Weaker, she wasn't interested in, and stronger were so complicated. Even to set the system up lost her, so she settled on strength with simplicity. Perfect. The speed and quality of support from the company is great. The accounting system in Excel has worked so well for me that I am now also making videos for the developer to help her market it. This is huge value for money for a small business of small businesses to save on accounting fees and get huge value for money. If you'd like to know and see more, please subscribe to this YouTube channel at no cost of course, and please email info@fig.co.za to let us know. The website details and email address is also in the description of the video. Have a great day.